Hello everyone. Welcome back to Ingvid Lab. In this lesson you're going to learn about 4 prepositions. And they are along, across, around, and through. Okay, then let's get started. The words along, across, around, and through are some of the prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movement are used to show movement from one place to another. Let's look at the 4 prepositions one by one. We use the preposition along to show movement in a constant direction. We use the preposition across to show movement from one side to the other. We use the preposition around to show movement on each side of something, or direction surrounding something or somebody. We use the preposition through to show movement from one end of something to the other. Okay. Then let's move on to the second part of the lesson, where I'm going to show you some examples for these words using some images and animation. The boy is walking along the beach. The boy is walking along the beach. The girl is riding a scooter along the road. The girl is riding a scooter along the road. Cut along the dotted line. Cut along the dotted line. The car is going across the bridge. The car is going across the bridge. The old lady is walking across the road. The old lady is walking across the road. The boy is swimming across the river. The boy is swimming across the river. The dog is running around its kennel. The dog is running around its kennel. The moon goes around the earth. The moon goes around the earth. The bird is flying around the tree. The bird is flying around the tree. The rat is going through a pipe. The rat is going through a pipe. The thief is entering the house through a window. The thief is entering the house through a window. The train is running through the tunnel. The train is running through the tunnel. So that's it. For more lessons like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another lesson.